Welcome to the Cool Bean Salad Cook-Off Challenge. 3, 2, 1, done! And welcome to the Cool Bean Salad Cook-Off Challenge. We have two contestants today creating two different salads. They must complete their task in 10 minutes, only 10 minutes. And let's see who the contestants are. On my left, Shiraz, doing a
SHIRAZI salad.
And on my right is Asher.
I am doing a Greek salad.
So let's just start and go! Seems like both contestants are off to a good start. Shiraz, what are you doing?
So right now I chopped the cucumber. I'm going on to the next cucumber. And I'm also going to chop the onion and the cilantro.
Okay, be careful with the knife.
Yep.
Asher, how far you have gone?
Right now I am chopping the cucumbers into very small pieces. And next I'm going to chop the bell pepper and then the onions.
Thank you. Good job. Half time left. Seems like both contestants are hard at work. Shiraz, what are you doing?
So I am making my dressing for the salad, and it needs lemon juice, salt, pink rock salt, and pepper, and also some olive oil.
And Asher, what are you doing?
Right now I'm adding the pepper to my dressing. Let's mix it up. And now I'm going to top it on to the salad.
So the salad you are making, what it's called?
It's called Greek salad.
And your salad, it's called?
SHIRAZI salad.
SHIRAZI salad. So Greek salad, SHIRAZI salad. Okay, back to work. Guys, only 1 minute left. Contestants, bring me the salads. SHIRAZI salad. Asher's Greek salad. Both are very good. It was a tough decision, but I have made my decision. The decision today is a tie. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow for another episode.